Hey, let me show you how you can use a search bar in this server in the Discord. So in this case, I'm using the Forza official server, and take a look. We can find here a lot of features. When you click on it with the left mouse button, first of all, we can find all messages sent by a specific user, all dimensions, and stuff like this. But what you can also do, this is like very useful if you are searching for some images. Select includes a specific type of a data. Let's select images. You can find just everything, but also, for example, from the oldest one. But that's not enough because you can also do this from a specific user. So if you want to check what images were sent by Dave T15, you can just do this. So it's pretty advanced actually. You can find here a lot of useful features. You can also find something like dimensions or some more things. You can even set author type for a bot or webhook. So that's how we can actually use this tool. Thank you so much for watching.